Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the brand new video. And in this video, we'll be dealing with are the duplicates question number 4. This is like one linear solution. I don't know what the fuck that means. One linear solution. What does it mean? Let's just chat GPT it first. What is happening here? Okay. Chat GPT. GPT. What was that? Salman Khan, Lawrence Bishnoi gang linked with Baba Siddiqui's murder. Why do I want to know that? In JS. What is this? One linear solution in JavaScript. Oh, okay. That's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be crazy. One linear solution, like one line solution. I learned something crazy today. So basically, they want a one line solution for this. Okay, let's see how can I do that, or if is it possible in the first place or not. Okay. How can you implement areTheReDuplicates function using one linear solution with the JavaScript set objects to detect duplicates? Okay, so I'll be having a copy and I'll do a research on what are like set objects and how to do that. But in my head, I did some little bit of research because I'm making this kind of the first 30 seconds or 40 seconds of the video twice because for some reason the entire thing just the video stopped working twice. Anyway, so to create a set, we just do like this, new set, and to add elements in this, we do this. And if you like add add 2 twice, but still the output, the length of the set will be 2 only. So we can do one thing, right? So instead of iterating through the entire array elements one by one and pushing it into the set, we can straight up make an array from the set elements. So this is going to be crazy. So let me just show you in Paint what I'm saying. MS Paint is the best place to show. For example, this is my array. Okay. No, array should look like rectangle. And it has elements like 1. Why can't I see 1? 1, elements like 2, elements like 3, elements like 4, elements like 5, elements like 2. 2 is 2 twice. So what I'm saying, there are certain crazy ass functions, okay? Crazy ass functions which will just take this and why so ugly? Okay, let me just which will take this entire array, okay? This is an array, okay? And it will just straight up convert it. It'll just convert this into a set. Let's just make a set look like a crazy kind of a stuff. Like, so our set will be a rectangle, okay? And it should be black rectangle. So, okay, it made it into a set. So the elements now will be having, since it is converted to 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will contain 1, 2, 3, 4 only, and it will not contain 2 because it is repeating. So it will only have unique values. So let me just make it green. Unique values. You see, 2 was repeating. So what am I planning to do basically is just to like find the length. So what? Yeah, this one. So then let's just make it black. So the length of this is how much? What is the length? What is the length of this array? Like how many elements are there? 4. And how many elements are there in this? 3. Okay, crazy. But the point is, since they are not same, since the length after being an array and after being a set and before being a set, which was initially array, before being a set was an array, is not same. Since they are not same, so let's just since not same, therefore true, duplicates are present. Yes, true, it is true that duplicates, you see what I mean, right? Present. Okay, duplicate. This is my logic. I don't know how do I do it. It's quite easy. I think, I mean, I will write it down. I'll show the code like what I've written and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I came up with this crazy ass code, which is like one liner, which I think will not execute because I have a feeling that it will not execute because anyway, so I'll write this down. I'll write this down in WordPad, okay, so that the things are very clear. And then we'll copy that paste in Visual Studio Code. Why don't I just write it? So we are using function, functn function, and we create our are there duplicates duplicate and it will take in an array of element or arrays of element. Thinking of first why is oh no. So now what we are now function is small f. Huh. So now what we are doing here is we are using the return keyword, and in the return keyword there's a lot of stuff going on here. So here is a condition ternary operator kind of approach I have taken. Like if it is true, if this thing is true, the condition where is the if the thing inside this is true, then the result should be false, else it should be true. That means there is no duplicate. Then false if the length are same of the before being a string and before being a set and after being a set. Okay. So here, what will be in the condition? Let me just explain you. Let me just show you. So my idea is like array dot leng length. If it is strictly equal, let's say it is not equal, then it is like true. That yeah, that duplicate is present because before and after the length is different, or else false. Let's make it like this. And here why I think it will not happen, because we're constructing a set at the same time we are trying to check it. So I think there will be an error. Yeah, please don't throw an error. Please don't throw an error. Okay. So this is the entire approach. So we'll open Visual Studio Code and we'll go to a new file. We save it as are there duplicates linear approach linear solution.js. Such a big name. So first of all, let's close everything. Function keyword are there duplicates. Are there duplicates? Is there a mistake? Are there duplicates? What was the mistake? No quick fix. Anyway, it will take in an array, and now it should, yeah, the error is gone. So what it would do basically, it will return a condition. It will basically return true or false. That is gonna be array dot length should not be equal to a new set array. Ha, what is this, bro? New set array. Yo, capital S should be there for set array. Okay. If this is true, then do false. If not, then do true. I think it will not execute. If it doesn't execute, it's okay, man. I mean, I'm very close to the solution, so I don't mind. And so quickly I found the solution for this. So let's do 1 2 3 4 2 like we did in the past in the MS Paint kind of thing. So let's see. Shift Y. Please, God, don't do this. Don't do this, God. False. Why false? Dumb. Hey, dumb. It should be true ना कि हाँ भाई सेम नहीं है तो हाँ डुप्लीकेट्स प्रेजेंट है. चोमू कही के. हाँ, अब कर. Yay! It's working, man. It's working. So you know what? We'll remove it. So since there is no duplicates, so what are the duplicates? False. There are no duplicates. So let's see. Yeah. What the fuck? Okay, let me run it again. Oh fuck. It is still saying there are duplicates. Okay, I got excited too early. Um, why? Why? So, so it should be false, भाई. It should be false. And it should be true. क्या कर रहा हूँ भाई? थोड़ा सा लॉजिक लगाओ भाई. क्या बोल रहे हैं? देखो, बोल रहा है कि अगर पहले का और बाद का लेंथ सेम है, अगर सेम नहीं है, अगर सेम नहीं है, तो उसका मतलब डुप्लीकेट्स प्रेजेंट है. तो ट्रू ही होना चाहिए ना. हाँ. अगर अगर हाँ भाई सेम है, पहले और बाद के सेम है, तो हाँ डुप्लीकेट्स प्रेजेंट नहीं है. तो इस केस में आना चाहिए फॉल्स, बट ये ट्रू आ रहा है. अब क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा, उसका तो हमको नहीं पता अजय. हाँ. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाई इज इट नॉट वर्किंग. Hmm. What if we just remove all the elements? Still it is saying true. What if we add in 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 1? Still saying true. I don't know what the fuck is going on. So I think we should refactor this. Um, so we can do a little bit of thing here. Let's just comment this everything out. Okay. Whatever the thing is inside. For example, array.length. In our case, array.length. We'll just do CLG here, console log, and see what is array.length. CLG. And let's make our array this only. Let array is equals to this, comma 2, right? So array's length is 1 2 3 4 5. Array's length is 5. Array's length is 5. Oh, I see board, bro. I see. What is the problem? You need to find the length of here now. What is the length? You're just comparing it. For sure, it will never be equal. So let's just cut it and let's comment everything out. You know what I'm saying? Basically, I'm saying that here, you have tried to find the length, but here you have not tried to find length of anything. So dot length. I don't know if should it work or not. So it is saying true that there is duplicates. In that case, it should say false. Still, it is saying false. I can't create a one-line solution for this. I'm unable to. That is sad. I knew this won't work. Um, okay, I have an idea. Okay, so like let new str no, let new set is equal to um, new set what array. Okay, now what we would do here is dot new set. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it is working, but this is not a one-line solution. I expected a one-line solution from you, bro. Okay, so you got the point. What was I trying to do? So we'll just paste this in ChatGPT, okay, and ask it, give me some sunshine, give me a one-line solution for this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. This really fucks me up internally. I mean, like crazy good approach. We have to use size instead of using length. Okay. I didn't know much about this. Let's like reset everything. Let's delete everything which was there. We still try to go for one line approach. Instead of length, we should go for size. Okay. Now I should also give the same result. False. Yeah, it is working. Instead of length in sets, we use size. Um, and we can make it what? We can make it an arrow function also, like const. Let's give it a name. Are there functions? And I don't know how we used to do it. Are I don't remember how we used to do it. And it will just contain a return statement like this. Suppose. Oh, we don't use a return statement like this. We just have this inside. And let's see if this works. False. So it also works like this. And what is his approach? We have used arrow function here. Anonymous arrow function. No, it's named. It's named. It's assigned to some name. Crazy, right? And like one line we are able to do it. Like that only we have done it here. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like that only. And the crazy thing is, instead of instead of writing true and false, it is going to return true and false only. Right? Refactoring on another level, man. Okay, bro, you reached to this solution. This is crazy. So proud of you, really proud of you. So we did it. Let's see the solution. Okay, part 4. Wow, and these motherfuckers have gone one more step ahead of it. Instead of using something, they have used arguments. You know what I'm saying? Like they have removed this also. Crazy bhai saab. Instead of add, they have used arguments. Arguments. Like that, like that. What the spelling? Arguments. Instead of this, they've just used argument. It still works. Crazy bhai, crazy. Bro, crazy. Wow, oh, wow, oh. Crazy. Will it work if I add extra so many duplicates are there of 2? I don't know. I'm a big fan of 2, I guess. Hopefully that. Eh? There are duplicates, motherfucker. Huh? What the fuck? Oh, they just don't want an array only. So right now, just run it. Still, this isn't working. Yes, make some mistake. Let me try to make his code run here. Let me comment out my code. My code is better, the previous code, but it should also work. So yeah, there is. What is the error? What is the error, man? Okay. I guess we should put arguments in the arrow function. Yes, then it will work. It didn't work. It just ended up throwing an error. Exactly same it is. But it's like we remove it and we try to run it, saying false, but it should say true. Hey, wait a second. Or should we compare like this? True. How? What is going on? Am I skipping something here? Bro, it's exactly same. So let me just convert it into ChatGPT. Um, Convert it into like above. Okay, okay. So according to this should work. And I'll compare. This is what I have written here. And what the fuck isn't working then? Not paste here, let's just paste it here. Okay. Isn't it same? Okay, basically nothing is different. Nothing is different. Nothing is different. Everything is same. You still we see some errors. Not working. Not giving expected result. Let me just let me क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? I see the universal played some tricks there, didn't it? The arguments object is not an array, but an array like object. It needs to be converted into an array. Okay, okay. But this doesn't need anything like that. The thing I copied from the HTML file. The mystical nature of arguments indeed behave differently than the rest parameter. The difference lies in how the argument works versus the modern rest parameters. The reason why the argument doesn't need a conversion in your original function because JavaScript set can handle array like objects such as does not strictly recognize arguments as an array, which is array fuck yaar. In like give me the older ways and the new ways sometimes play trick. Okay, in older syntax the arguments behave like an array, but in the new but not a true array. To make the function work perfectly, the arguments it should be converted into an array. So fuck your array, na? Then fuck, then fuck everything, na? I thought I can really simplify this. So okay, so it wasn't working because it needed few dots in the beginning to convert into a rest array or something. True, it should return true. So yeah, it's working now. Okay, anyway, you gotta know it. It was crazy question though. I'll catch you up in the next lecture. Till then, take care, be safe. Till then, keep DSAing, man. Keep DSAing.